What if I'll tell you that you can create this type of drone shots inside of Unreal Engine 5.4 and this is completely free. And all these data are grabbing right from Google Maps. Are you excited to learn? So let's get started. So first of all, you need to go to this Epic Games Marketplace where you need to type this CCM for Unreal and need to install this to your engine. Now you can use 5.3 or 5.4 and it will update based on that. Next, go to Google Chrome and type Google Platform API and enter. And now simply go to this Google Cloud Platform. Now here you need to sign in first like me. After that, simply select this console option and here you need to type Maps Tile API and then just press enter. And you can find this Map Tiles API. Simply install this. Now I have already installed, that's why it's showing that API enabled. Go to API services and you can find this credentials. Now here you can find your maps.api which need to be show key so that you can see your API keys over here. Make sure you need to copy this and close it. Now after this, you need to add one credit card details just for the verification. Trust me, they will not charge anything. Only 2 rupees just for the verification. So once you install this properly, jump into Unreal Engine and this is 5.4. Go to edit, plugins, and now we need to type CCM and you can find this CCM for Unreal. Simply check this on and restart your Unreal Engine. Simply close this and once you restart, you can find this option called CCM. Now I have already enabled all the processes, that's why this option will pop up over here. Once you turn on for the very first time, this will not show over here. You can see this called login first. So go to file, new level, and I'm just place this empty level and press create. Now once you enable all the processes successfully, you can find this CCM Sky and dynamic font. So I'm just turn on this one. Now after that, you can find this Google photorealistic 3D tiles. Simply check this on and it will take a little bit of time. And also now you can see the maps are start loading over here. And look at this. This looks really amazing. Now you can press G to turn off all the settings and this is your Google Map. Now, if you want to go in a specific direction, you can really do that. Now, let me show you what you can do next. Now, simply select this Google Photorealism 3D Tiles effect and over there you can find this called source. Simply check this to from URL. Now, once you click this, you can see that all the data is gone because those data you will grab that will directly grab from the URL and your API keys. But for the safe side, you can use this caution icon as well. But if you use this URL method, you need to type one URL over here. Simply copy this URL. Now, I just paste this link in our description box below so that you guys can go and just simply copy it. Don't worry, it's just easy. Directly go to your Unreal Engine, simply paste this and after this option, you need to paste your API keys. And that API you copied over here, simply paste this after this one. So just paste it and then release. And now you can see your maps turned back once again. And now whatever you can do, it will just blow your mind. Now you need to get a proper longitude and altitude for the proper database. And now you can find this London longitude and altitude. Simply copy this data and simply select this G-Force 0 where you can find this longitude option. Simply paste this and copy this one and paste this over here. And now this data directly jump into your London data and this is your London somewhere. I don't know where exactly it is. So now you can zoom this. So let's make it to 32 so that you can zoom this a little bit up. So now you can see the height is too much. So you can decrease the height so that it will comes like this only. And now this data is look like this. Oh my God, it's looking really amazing. Isn't it, guys? So now you can move all over where you want to move and you can simply close this. So this is the data. So now if you want to increase the quality of the data, what you need to do, simply select this G-Force 0. You can type level and you can find this option over here, maximum screen space. So decreasing the number, it can increase the level of the details, but make sure it can crash your system. So for the safe side, I make it to 10 and trust me, this data is more than enough. Alright, now if you want to change the lighting direction right from here, simply select the sun and sky and go down. You can find the options and you can find this called day and time. Now you can simply change the dates from here so that you can change the shadows. You can start the months, start the date, whatever you can change it right from over here. This is the month. So in this month, the light should be right from here. So let's make it like this only. So now you can use this light setup, but I will do a lot of things after this. Simply go to this place actors panel, go to light. I am using exponential height fog. Simply drag and drop into your scene. Now look at this, the scene is completely changed. Now just move it a little bit down and yep, that's it. Now if you notice this looks white. So what you need to do, you can use sky atmosphere. So simply type sky and you can find this called sky atmosphere. Once you drag and drop, the entire scene will change. Now simply select this exponential height and fog. You can simply decrease or increase the fog density. Go down, turn on your volumetric fog and simply extension the scale, some kind of this. And look at this, it's looking really amazing. Now I'm using a cloud, which is called volumetric cloud. Simply drag and drop, and this can create some cloudy effects. And look at this, it's looking amazing. And let's change the cloud samples, like planet radius a little bit down, increase the bottom angles slightly, or like increasing, and yeah, that's it. Post-processing volume, our very favorite option. Simply drag and drop and type infinite. Simply turn this on and make sure need exposure, and turn this exposure to on and decrease the exposure a little bit so that the light should down and you can see the clouds a little bit. And now simply type bloom and turn this bloom effect, increase it slightly. Then the camera. So first of all, click here, camera. You can find this Cine Camera Actor. Simply drag and drop. Now go to the Cine Camera Actor. Now the cities look something like this from your camera view. Now if you can't see any details, because the detail will take some time to load, so don't worry about this. Go up, change it to DSLR, make it to 30mm so that it can get a wide angle shot. Now what you need to do, you need to play with your sun settings and the volumetric cloud option. If you turn this off, you can see the lens flare, but if you turn this on, you can see the volumetric cloud. So what you need to do, you can change the settings so that the sun will not hide completely. It can create a little bit of sun effect like this so that the lens flare will not, hide completely. So yes, that's it for today. In this way, you can import your Google Map data inside of Unreal Engine 5.4. And if you have any queries, put in the comment section down below, and I'm trying to help you as much as I can. See you soon in my next video. By the way, myself Rajat, you are watching World of VFX. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Bye-bye.